Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. UDP General Secretary expresses hope to come to power in 2022 election. AIPEF requests CM Konrad K. Sangma to appeal to Prime Minister. Office picketing at MEECL William Nagar continues. And MSOA starts talent search in all the districts. And now the news in detail. UDP General Secretary Dr. Jemino Mautho, in his press briefing today, the 22nd of July 2022, expressed optimism that the party will come to power in 2023, stating that many MLAs from different parties, including the Garo Hills, are joining the party.
Are increasing. That is not counting myself, not counting the other, the MDCs who are also aspirants, who are also potential winners from the different constituencies who are with the UDP. So if we take all of them together, the MLAs, the non-MLAs, the sitting MDCs, I think we are going to do well.
All India Power Engineers Federation AIPEF Chairman Mr. Shailendra Dubey has requested Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma to appeal to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to withhold placing the Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 in the Parliament without first seeking the views of various engineers organizations and federation across the country. Mr. Dubey expressed the views of the AIPEF, which were discussed in the 14th General Conference of MEECL Engineers Association held at Hotel Pinewood on July 22nd. He also said before any amendment, consultation and discussion is important, as any change affects directly to consumers as well as all levels of employees in the power sector.
Thousands of crores of rupees on the erection of the network, and every day we are spending hundreds of crores in the operation and maintenance of the network, and government company, without spending a single penny, will be simply minting the money through this network. So we are opposing electricity amendment bill in the larger interest of the state, in the larger interest of the consumers, and in the larger interest of the common employees.
After the announcement by the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong that Rs 44 crore is released for immediate payment for the pending salaries for SSA teachers, Mr. Aristotle Rambai, leader of the group, expressed gratitude and appreciation to all individual leaders, organizations and prominent persons who have shown sympathy and expressed concern for the plight of the SSA teachers for not getting their salary for the past 5 months. It may be recalled that due to the intervention of the state governor Satyapal Malik, that the government hurriedly pulled its knapsack to pay to the teachers.
Is finding ways and means to solve the problems facing by the SSA teachers now and then, especially regarding the irregular payments of SSA teachers' salary and also the enhancements of SSA teachers' salary. And also I would like to express our sincere gratitude and thanks to the media, both print and electronics. It is because of you who raised our voice to the government and also to the general public, that all our dear friends and loved ones have come to support and to give to join hands with us.
The second day of picketing of the MEECL offices at William Nagar town by the combined NGOs consisting of GSU, FAF, FKJGP and AIGU has shown sign of good result that on July 22nd there is no power interruption in the district capital. However, the agitations will continue till the government respond with the positive steps towards the demands that they placed before the authorities, informed Saljrangti Marak of the GSU Eastern Zone. The Meghalaya State Olympic Association, with close collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs of the state government, is utilizing the expertise of two prominent international experts, Mr. Ian Campbell, Australia Olympian, and Mr. Alistair Tide, Global International Coach, to search for sports talents among children, young people and youth in all the districts of the state. Working President of the MSOA, Mr. John F. Kharshieng, informed media persons that the talent search had begun from Maukarwat and now it is reaching at Nongpo for Ribhoi district. He also said that the team is using various technology and tests to find and spot promising talents for further training and nurturing for the youths of the state. The purpose of the talent search is to train for future Olympians for the state and the country, he added.
Tegani grup jukini ro katon ru ki jingide juki bekini ki league research chai NBA katon ki jingide beki kini ki test nam taki NBA rastu NBA gede ke basketball ke buat serkai tam ka speed tu te gamot niyo banya thau ka speed jung khla Meghalaya bat ka speed jung tek bathe lembah habangia trailang begini ki kenhon ke banawa ni tapi tiga ka jikli ta ka bami begini jingya jumi kanong ba ayun le igini kisap arpo shispa aspa ni pakai katno maki baru gini ki jingthau mutarsi ngadu dengan sedang kilong digitally calibrated kilong ki machine kiba kem tek second ni bahat ru jing stat jufi.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.